In this video, we will show you how to deposit cash into USAA account. If you guys want to get started with the USAA account, you can use the links down in the description. First, use the USAA ATM locator on the USAA website or app to find a nearby ATM that accepts cash deposits. Then visit the selected ATM, insert your USAA debit card, and follow the prompts to deposit cash directly into your account. Cash deposits are typically available immediately or within a few hours. USAA partners with other financial institutions where you can make deposits. Then check with USAA for the nearest partner locations. Now visit the partner bank or credit union, provide your USAA account details, and deposit the cash. Be aware that this method may take longer for the funds to appear in your account. Some institutions may charge a fee for depositing cash into a USAA account. Purchase a money order from a retailer or post office using cash. Use the USAA mobile app to deposit the money order by taking a photo of it and following the deposit instructions. Get a cashier's check from a bank or credit union using cash. Mail the cashier's check to USAA using their deposit address. Include your account number on the check or in an enclosed deposit slip. Then visit a UPS store with a USAA Easy Deposit service and deposit checks using the special USAA service available there. This option doesn't apply to cash, but is useful for check deposits. So that's how to deposit cash into USAA account. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with the USAA account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.